Hello people, today I want to show you how to install Google Chrome. I know it sounds very easy, but lately I've been getting a lot of people asking me about how to install Google Chrome, and I'm here to show you real quick how to install Google Chrome. If you don't have it installed and you want it, also after installing a clean fresh copy of Windows, maybe you have to replace your hard drive and the computer is cleaned up, the only browser that is going to come up within Windows 10 that is the Microsoft Edge browser, which is the default one. And if you have to do it in you need to, then Google Chrome is available easily through Microsoft Edge. Right here, I put it as I pinned it to the taskbar right here in the bottom. You should either see it here in the taskbar or on your desktop as an icon here anywhere when Windows sets it up there. So just click there. Now here on the address bar, we're gonna type Google.com. You know, go to Google.com, the search engine. Right here, we see the search engine, and right here we're gonna type Google Chrome. It's gonna come up with a few search results. One of those, you have to just be careful on choosing the right one. For example, this one, the only thing you gotta look at is the domain. The domain is this one right here, this one on top. That one is taking us directly to the Google Chrome download website. This one, as you can see, like this one down here, is apps.apple.com. This one is a different one. This is for iPhone or iPads. This one won't work on your Windows operating system. There's a blog, as you can see here. There's a Wikipedia. So you just gotta make sure you're going to the correct one. In this case is google.com and then Chrome, as you can see there. So if we click here, it takes us right into the download page. Is the one that we want. Then here it says download Chrome, and then either check these or uncheck it. Really doesn't matter. But if you want to read about it, is help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics and crash reports on Google. That's up to you to do or not. I am just going to leave it checked and then click on download Chrome. Now it's downloading. Just gotta give it a moment here. In the Google Edge, this arrow pointing down means all your downloads. So as you can see, it downloaded already pretty fast. Click on Google Setup.exe. We go and we click yes. If you cannot find it there, you can also find it by going into the folder, right click, going into the downloads, to the downloads folder. But in this case is right here. Now it's downloading pretty fast. Here we go. We're almost there. Download complete. Waiting to install. Installing. Alright, make some progress depending on the speed on your computer. If you have a hard drive, it'll probably be a little slower. If you have a solid state drive, it'll be faster. So here we go, it's installing, and bam, there you go. Now we have Google Chrome installed. Now we can browse the net and go anywhere on the net where you want, anywhere you want. And the reason why I like Google Chrome is because, like right here on the address bar, it's pretty much the Google search engine. So you can go anywhere, you can just type it, it takes you, it's like the search engine up there, you know. So yeah, pretty cool. Well, you know what? It was nice showing you how to install Google Chrome on your computer. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.